Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode of Wordle Ultra Hard Mode. Today we're going to be doing the Wordle for the 1st of July, 2023. We're going to be doing Wordle, Wordle 742 today. And as always, you're going to be starting with yesterday's solution word, which was... God damn it. I just realized I don't remember what yesterday's solution word is, so I've got to, on the fly, go look it up. It's going to make me sound incredibly silly. It was straw. There we go. Okay, so I got nothing out of all of those, which I think is pretty okay. I'm going to do the word mince, because it gives us a lot of letters, including some uncommon ones, and the E. Yep, almost certainly the E. I'm going to do the word foley. Gives you, gives me the other O and another... Okay, so an L, and there is an E there. Well, it could be like the word glued. I mean, it can't be the word glued, I don't think, because it's a past tense word. But like something akin to that might work. Let's do. I mean, I could do the word glued just to get the last. What word is this? So, it's probably a word with another E. I think it has to be, with another E, so like, plea. It could be ELV. Like, Elven would be fine, but it's not in this case. Bleak, that's not how you spell bleak. So, yeah, so with an L, I don't see anything else that can go in that third position. Like, you could have Elken or something like that. So there has to be another E somewhere. Where could this word be? So, like, I'm thinking there might be an X or a Z somewhere here that I might be missing. But I don't see anything. There's not a lot of letters left. The only word that I can see is the word elven, and I know it's not right. What other word is there? Like, I actually just don't see anything else here. Oh! Bleep. That's a hard word, because it doesn't feel like a real word, Like, it's an onomatopoeia, but it's like, it's got an extra layer of, like, this feels like it's a made-up word, right? Well, thank you very much for watching. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and I will see you all next time. Cheers!